Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cacao chocolate. First, begin by selecting premium cacao beans, ensuring they are of high quality for superior flavor. Next, meticulously clean your chosen beans to remove any unwanted debris. Then, ferment the beans for about 5 to 7 days. This crucial step develops their rich, complex flavors. Finally, dry the fermented beans slowly, either under the sun or in a dehydrator, preparing them for the next stage of chocolate making. After drying, it's time to roast your cacao beans. Roast them at approximately 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes, bringing out their deep chocolate aroma. Once roasted, allow the beans to cool completely. This makes the next step much simpler. Then, carefully crack the cooled beans, separating the brittle outer husks from the valuable inner nibs. Finally, winnow the cracked beans, using air to remove all the light, papery husks, leaving only pure cacao nibs. Now, let's transform those nibs into liquid gold. Place your cacao nibs into a melanger and grind them for several hours. They will gradually turn into a smooth, flowing chocolate liquor. During this grinding, incorporate your desired amount of sugar and any flavorings, such as a touch of vanilla. Next, conch the chocolate liquor for anywhere from 12 to 72 hours. This extended process refines the texture, removes unwanted volatile acids, and ensures a truly silky smooth mouthfeel. The final steps involve tempering and molding. Tempering is crucial for a beautiful, glossy finish and a satisfying snap. First, heat your chocolate to about 115 degrees Fahrenheit, then cool it down to 82 degrees. Next, gently reheat it to between 88 and 91 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the perfect working temperature. Finally, pour the perfectly tempered chocolate into your chosen molds and allow it to set completely, creating your delicious homemade cacao chocolate bars.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.